Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So I just woke up and oh my god, it's bright. And I woke up kind of sick. My house was like really cold this morning. I don't know why. My eczema cream, that's why it's white under here. I'm getting eczema under my eyes. I think it's eye cream I'm using. So I'm just gonna wash my face, change for the gym, and then I hate this phone so much. Just gonna make breakfast and I'll show you guys what I'm making. Sorry it's so dark. I'll show you guys what I'm making. I think I'm gonna make a breakfast sandwich with like some tea or something. I want something too heavy because I have to go to the gym. Hey, is that gonna be okay there? I think it is. Hopefully it doesn't fall over. Okay, I'm gonna make a breakfast sandwich. A breakfast sandwich! Oh my god. This is what I'm gonna be using. I can't find the garlic spread. I don't even remember if I put garlic spread in it last time. Did I? Or was it just these two things?
Yeah, you did. You put it on one side, didn't you?
Yeah, one side. I can't remember. Okay, so I'm gonna be making a breakfast sandwich. Oh, where's the bread? I'm gonna be using these whole wheat muffins from Trader Joe's. I think I said this in my last vlog, but there's like that are like an orange label instead of this brown. Those are better. Get those if you can find them. I have mushrooms. I have some avocado. I have some spinach, some turkey bacon. This is just the one from Safeway. I have some, what are these called? Microgreens, vegan cream cheese, the spinach and kale Greek yogurt dip from Trader Joe's, and my egg whites also from Trader Joe's. And while I'm doing all this, I'm gonna drink some green tea. Okay, well, the tea that I'm drinking, can you pass me the envelope please so I can show them? I usually drink green tea in the mornings. I don't drink like coffee or anything. Well, okay, I do, but not in the mornings. I drink it like in the middle of the day, like around 11 or like after the gym. I don't drink before the gym. And I go to the gyms in the morning. I'm gonna go to the gym right after. So this is a tea that I bought on Amazon. So it's called De Divina. My nail girl recommended this to me. She said it makes you lose weight or it helps you. And it's probably like one of those detox teas. I get it. But right now I need help with that. So this is what I have in here. I think this is too much. Do you want some? Yeah. I think you have to put more water in it. So steep the tea overnight or something. That's what I did last night. And now I'm just gonna put some more water in it. Drink it warm or anything. The instructions did say to drink it in general. It doesn't say to drink it like warm, cold, whatever. I'm just gonna drink it cold. My green tea that I usually have in the mornings, today I just started taking this. I do have warm with some lemon. So let's start making the sandwich. So the first thing I do is put down the bacon to cook for about 3 minutes on each side, just so while this is cooking, I can get everything else going. Next, I throw my mushrooms in a pan with a little bit of salt and pepper and just saute them and break them apart with my little spatula here because I'm just way too lazy to cut them until they're golden brown, and then I'll add the spinach. So personally, I like to add a lot of spinach just because I know it's good for me and I don't really like find a gross taste in it. I actually feel like it doesn't taste like anything at all. So I'm just adding the spinach, sauteing it just a little bit, adding a splash of my egg whites. I don't measure this anymore, so it's just whatever you want to add. And there's my egg. Of course, it looks so ugly the day that I'm filming and I'm just picking out a little bit of the mushrooms. So once the egg is done, I flip it over. I also don't like to cook my egg too much. And once that is done, I'm going to toast my bread for my sandwich. When all your ingredients are ready, it is time to assemble your breakfast sandwich. So what I like to do while I'm eating breakfast is just watch a little bit of Netflix, FaceTime my mans if we both have time, and just enjoy my breakfast. Breakfast is one of my most favorite meals in the entire day, so that's why I really like to put my time into it, when I have the time, of course. The cream cheese in there really makes a difference. So I am driving to the gym right now. I really need to get one of those like little stands for my car for when I'm driving because I cannot be, I wonder if it's illegal to film and drive. I mean, a camera is probably the same as a phone, right? I totally forgot to tell you guys that I bought a Fitbit watch thanks to my cousin Claudia. She recommended it to me. It's really cool. It tells you how many calories you've burnt all day, how many steps you've taken, what your heartbeat is at all times. It tells you the time. You can set up like different workouts. There's like weight training, swimming, running, walking, and set up your workout and it'll tell you how much you're burning during that workout and how fast your heartbeat is and like what pace you're going at and all this stuff. It's really cool. Also, you can plug it in and connect to your phone. So you can plug in how much water you've been drinking if you want to track your water intake. I don't do that because I already know how much I drink. I drink 2 of my 40-ounce water bottles a day. I've been trying to drink 3 and I've gotten to like 2.5 almost. But yeah, 2 is what I mostly have done. There are a ton of people at my gym right now. I literally hate when it's like this, but it's the normal time. It's 10 o'clock. So, this is so annoying. But okay, I gotta get my workout in. Oh my god, front row parking. Yes. Guys, I'm hyped about my workout, not gonna lie. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, I bought a new mouthpiece for my Hydro Flask. This is not a Hydro Flask. I bought this mouthpiece from Amazon and I found it to be so much easier to drink your water with a mouthpiece like this, like a straw, than with the open mouthpiece, because I think I'd just get lazy to like open it and have to like be really careful to not spill and stuff. So this has got me going with my water intake. So if you're not drinking enough water, try to get something with the straw. It's so much easier sipping water than drinking it and having to carry this water bottle. It's like really heavy, having to be like, oh my god, I don't want to spill it, you know? But then people say you get bloated from a straw. I don't know, it's up to you, but this has helped me so much. So I'm gonna start my workout. I'm gonna turn on my Fitbit onto weight training, and I'll see you guys after the gym. Alrighty, it's lunchtime, thank God, because after that workout, I need some protein, some carbs, something to get my energy back up. So what I'm doing is just using half an avocado, scooping that into the bowl, and then next I'm going to chop up some red onion. It's a little less than half of a red onion, and I'm just slicing that in tiny little pieces. It depends how you like your pieces. I like mine really, really small. Then I'm using 1 jalapeno, and I'm actually deveining it because I don't like the seeds or the white parts from the inside. That's like the really spicy part. And I'm just slicing that also very, very thinly, first into strips and then into tiny little pieces. Then I'll be adding that to the bowl. And finally, I'm going to be adding some corn. So I use a little bit of corn. It's probably about 3 full tablespoons. Cilantro, I just use a little bit, probably around 2 tablespoons. And I say probably, you guys, because I literally don't measure anything. I'm just trying to give you guys a general idea of how much of everything I use. So here I'm just squeezing a lime into the bowl. I actually ended up using 2 limes and 2 cans of tuna, but I didn't show that in the video. So the tuna that I use is from Costco. This is the Albacore white tuna in water. And I actually like this a lot better than the ones that are in oil because it's more dry and it doesn't smell as much. So now I'm just cleaning up because I'm a crazy person when I cook. I make a huge mess. And now I'm just mixing that really, 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 really well together. Mixing all the ingredients, mashing the avocado, making sure the avocado is like distributed throughout the entire bowl because I'm not using mayonnaise. Some salt and pepper to taste, and a little bit of powdered garlic. This is not garlic salt, it is just the garlic. And now I'm just mixing that together again. These are the tostadas that I use. They are baked, so they're lower in calories. They're really, really good. Thank you for Daisy Guerrero for showing that to me. If you guys don't follow her, you definitely should. She's awesome. And this is my lunch, you guys. It is so good and so healthy. So I'm gonna make dinner, and what I'll be making for tonight. Do you want to say hi, everyone?
Hi.
Look at Sleeping Beauty woke up. Les dije que estabas dormido. I told him you were asleep. So what I'm gonna make is just some roasted potatoes and roasted vegetables in the oven with some salmon that I bought from Costco. I love this salmon. This is a salmon Milano with basil and pesto butter. This is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna do maybe just 2 of them. You don't need a whole salmon, by the way. I usually eat half. If I'm really hungry, I'll eat the whole thing, but I'm also gonna roast some zucchini and carrots, so I'll show you guys how to do that. I'm just gonna start with the 3 large carrots. I'm gonna be cutting them into halves and then into quarter pieces so that they cook faster. And my camera wasn't actually filming this next part, but I'm just drizzling a little bit of olive oil. There's paprika in there. I'm gonna be adding some red pepper flakes, some 21 seasoning from Trader Joe's, some salt, some garlic, and a little bit of brown sugar. I think I added about 2 tablespoons just to sweeten them up and so that they get really crispy in the oven. They taste so good. As for the zucchini, I'm using 3 large zucchinis, cutting them the same exact way as I did with the carrots. And I'm just going to be adding them into the bowl. And in the bowl, I'm adding some olive oil, some salt, some pepper, some 21 seasoning from Trader Joe's, some basil flakes, and a little bit of the powdered garlic that I used for lunch. For potatoes, I'm using this little pack of like mix of potatoes that I bought at Trader Joe's. Really easy to spot, so I'm sure you can find them. I'm just cutting them into halves, and in the bowl I'm adding some pepper, some salt, some olive oil, a little bit of the 21 seasoning from Trader Joe's, some basil flakes, and a lot of paprika. Okay guys, so this is what the finishing product is going to look like. I put the carrots and the potatoes together because they're thicker and they're going to cook a lot slower than the zucchini and the salmon. So I'll probably take this out before I take this out. This will probably be in there for about 20-ish minutes and this about 15 or 12. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of this honey pale ale mustard from Trader Joe's. I'm just going to smear it on the salmon just a little bit because the salmon already has some of the seasoning on it from the butter. I set my oven to 410 degrees for about 20 minutes, and I'm just letting that cook up while I watch some Netflix or FaceTime, and there it is, you guys. That's the dinner. It's so amazing. The mustard on the salmon is literally the best. You have to go get it. It's at Trader Joe's right now. On my potatoes, I love to add this balsamic vinaigrette that I use for bruschetta. It's from Trader Joe's also. And that's it, you guys. That is my dinner. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making and editing this video for you guys. If you like it, please like, subscribe, comment down below for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it.